Hey kids, welcome to section 9.6 Homeowners Insurance Premium. Today we're going to learn how to calculate the annual homeowners insurance premium. This is going to be the money that you have to pay every month in order to insure your house. How much does it cost to insure a home? Well, it changes from insurance company to insurance company, changes based on where you live, changes on what type of house you live in. All of these go into the calculations of how much it costs to insure a house. So, the important considerations when buying a home, as they say in real estate, are location, location, location. Your location even affects your homeowner's policy premium, and that's the amount that you must pay for insurance coverage. So, the type of house, brick, masonry, veneer, or wood frame, and the amount of coverage affects your premium. So, we are going to use this table here. This table is one example of one insurance from one company based on the different types of houses that you live in. So, a couple of things to notice: we have annual premiums on a brick house or a wood house. Then we have the amount of insurance coverage going down the left-hand side. Notice that as the amount of insurance coverage increases, the values of the annual premiums also increase. And notice that if you stay on one amount of insurance coverage, the prices increase. And then if you compare the same spot in each type of house, the prices are more expensive when you have a wood house than a brick house, because a wood house can go up in flames a lot quicker than a brick house. Hence the three little pigs. So we're going to talk about how we can find those annual premiums. If you have a burglar alarm monitored by a central station or tied directly to a local police station, that can help lower the homeowner's annual premiums. So if you have some kind of doorbell system or a security system that's especially connected to a police station or a fire station, that can lower your premium. If you have smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, deadbolt locks, sprinkler systems, and in some cases even weatherproofing, these can also help to lower your premiums. Now, having smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors, those are necessary things that you have to have in your house. It's illegal if you don't. But if you have any of the other items, that could help lower your risk of damage. If you have an item such as a pool or another potentially injurious device like a trampoline, that can actually bring your insurance cost up. So if you're looking to move into a house that has a pool, keep in mind that having a pool will make your insurance be more expensive, because if you have a pool, you could have someone that could hop your fence and get into your pool, and we wouldn't want them drowning, because then you would be held responsible. So having a pool or even a trampoline, someone can injure themselves on a trampoline, your insurance will go up. And then finally, the insurance company will assign your home a number that reflects how fire resistant it is and how close you are to a water source. This is called the fire protection class. So, like, I have a fire hydrant right at the end of my property. And so I'm very close to a water source. If you live out in the country, it would take you longer to have a fire truck get to your house. So your fire protection class will be higher than mine, who live in town. So all sorts of factors go into the calculation of your insurance premiums. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So here are some examples. The replacement value of Tark's home is $150,000, and he has it insured for 80% of its replacement value. The home is of wood frame construction and has been rated in fire protection class number 4. So part A, what is the amount of coverage? Well, this is a review problem from section 9.5. To find the total amount of coverage, we're going to take the replacement value, 150,000, and multiply it by its replacement percentage, which is 80%. If I do this, I get a total coverage of $120,000. Like I said, that's a review problem from section 9.5. Now, to find the annual premium, I need to go to the table. So I'm going to look at fire protection class 4 for a wood frame and $120,000 in coverage. So wood, fire protection class number 4, $120,000. So we are looking at $476. That is our annual premium. $476 is how much you have to pay for house insurance for 1 year. If you want to find what the monthly premium is, you can take the annual premium, which is for a whole year, and divide it by how many months there are, which is 12. If you do so, this gives us a monthly payment of $39.67. Now, when you get insurance, kids, you will get an insurance bill once a year. And I personally pay my annual bill once. I chose not to break it down into monthly payments. So we just pay our insurance bill once a year for our house. But different people do it different ways. So, check into your insurance company and see if monthly payments are an option, if that's something you want to do. Okay, example number 2, the replacement cost of Jacqueline's brick home is $200,000. It is insured at 75% of its replacement value, and the home is in fire protection class 9. Part A, find the amount of annual premium. Well, I need to do 2 things here. First, I need to find the total amount of coverage. So to do that, I can take $200,000, my replacement value, and multiply by my replacement percentage that I'm insuring the house for. 200,000 times 75%. That gives us $150,000. Now I can use that along with 9 and brick to find the annual premium. So brick, 9, 150,000. Let's get rid of these other ones. Brick is here, 9 is here, 150,000 is here. So we're looking at $781. Part B says, how much more would the premium be if she was in fire protection class 11? So how much more would it be if she was in 11? Well, let's go back to the table. If she were in 11, the price would jump to $944 for the year. So $944 minus $781, that'll tell me how much more I would have to pay, and that's $163. So a little more than $10 a month is what you will have to pay if you jump up 2 classes. All right, let's look at number 3. The replacement value of John Tavion's home is estimated at $250,000. He has insured his home for 100% of the replacement value. The home is of wood frame construction and has been rated in fire protection class 7. What is the annual premium? Is part A. Well, first I need to find the total amount of coverage. So I take the replacement value and I multiply by the insured replacement value percentage, which is 100%, which is 1.00. So that gives me a total coverage of $250,000. Now to find the annual premium, I take that $250,000. I take the fact that it's wood in class 7. So $250 wood in class 7. That's going to be $998. $998. Part B wants to know what the monthly premium is. Well, if $998 is the annual once a year premium, to find the monthly premium, I would divide by 12. So this means I would have to pay $83.17 a month. All right, last problem. The replacement value of Kyle's home is $500,000 and he has it insured for 75% of its replacement value. The home is of brick and has been rated in fire protection class number 9. What is the monthly payment? Okay, so to find the monthly payment, I need the annual. To find the annual, I need the total coverage. So I can take the replacement value of the house and multiply by the replacement percentage. This gives us $375,000. So I'm going to take $375,000 with class 9 and brick. So brick 9 and 375. Brick 9, 375. Brick 9. Now we have an issue because 375 is right in between. So if your total amount of coverage is in between two values, go to the closest value to it. So if we have the option between 300,000 and 400,000, 375,000 is closest to 400,000. So we're looking at an annual premium of 1,664. So annual is 1,664. If I want monthly, I can divide by 12. And my monthly is going to be $138.67. All right, so that is how you calculate monthly payments for your homeowner's insurance. Make sure you have that table handy, otherwise it'll be kind of hard to find the values. And if you have any questions, let me know. As always, keep calm and keep trucking.